Om Namah Shivaya. Shivji Sada Sahai. Om Namah Shivaya. Guruji
Dear
Sada
Sangaji,
Sahai.
Guruji has lovingly
From the
advised
book
us to
Light of
listen to each satsang
Divinity,
in its
this satsang
entirety,
has been
from
converted
the
into
beginning to
audio
the
for
end,
our
as each
English-speaking Sangat.
satsang has the
Guruji
potential
reminds
to
us to
answer our
listen to the
doubts
Sangat
and
fully,
queries in its
as
own
it
unique way.
answers our doubts
The
and
blessings of
questions.
Guruji
The
are
blessing
shared
is
between
shared
both the
equally by the
reader
sharer
and the
and the
listener.
listener.
So therefore,
Om
let us
Namah
make time and listen
Shivaya.
with devotion and an open
Shivji
heart.
Sada
Shukrana Guruji.
Sahai.
Jai Guruji.
Om Namah
जय
Shivaya.
गुरुजी, शुक्राना
Guruji
गुरुजी,
Sada
अनंतम अनंतम
Sahai.
शुक्राना गुरुजी.
Jai Guruji.
I'm sharing satsang from
Light of
Light of
Divinity,
Divinity
page
from page
53.
191 to 195.
Like the sun
The
rising
satsang is
suddenly
narrated
on
by
a sodden
Harsharan
landscape.
Singh to uncle.
It is
Before
not
that,
within my
I will
capacity
recite
or
Guruji's
competence to
mantra.
put into words
Om Namah
the
Shivaya,
supremacy
Shivji
of
Sada
my
Sahai.
Guru.
Om Namah Shivaya,
For
Guruji
how
Sada Sahai.
can I do justice in cold
I
words
dedicate
to
this
his
book
colossal
from
divinity?
the Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji
However,
to my Guruji for
in a
taking us
sincere
under
tribute
his
of love
Sharan
and
and
reverence for my
transforming
Guru,
our lives
I
forever.
share my
Till we
experience
met
of
Guruji,
supreme
my
blessings
family and
with his
I were just
approval.
letting out our life drift by
The
without
path
any
we
sense
seek
of
is
purpose
not
or
different
any understanding
from the
of
summit
the
of
true will
salvation,
of God. Our son had
the
lost his
purpose
hearing
of our being.
25 years ago. No medicines affected
The
him,
journey from
and even
seeking
saints
to
and
reaching this
tantrics
summit
were unable
is
to
a
help
cinch
us.
for those
Then,
who
as they
entrust their
say,
reins
when the
in the
student
hands
is
of
ready,
their Guru.
the master appears. And so it
For
was.
we are not
Suddenly, through a
pathfinders,
relative, Guruji
but
entered our
followers.
lives. The
I
first
was
time
born
my
into a
family
Jat Sikh
and I met
family.
Guruji, he told my wife
My
the
family
exact amount of
had
fixed
to its
deposits
credit
that I had,
happiness,
the total number of saris she
tasteful
had.
living,
She was fond of
good
good South Indian
education,
saris.
and discipline.
The tolas of gold she had, and the selling
Throughout
price
my
of my house.
childhood,
I had not
I
even
had
disclosed
always
the
been influenced
last
by my
to her,
grandfather,
fully
a devout
knowing
follower
ladies
of
and
his
being
faith
wary
and
of
of
their
his
love for
master.
diamonds. This
Slowly,
was a small incident,
the
but it
impulse
had
of finding
me
a
thinking.
guru dawned on
Then
me.
when I heard satsangs,
I was
the
married
urge to
into a
meet him
Jat
grew.
Sikh family.
Subsequently, I told him about
My
my son's
husband,
problem.
the
Guruji at
only
once
son
blessed my
after
son
3
and
daughters
asked
in
me
his
to put a
family,
drop of Badam Rogan,
was brought
an
up with a
Ayurvedic
lot of
formulation, in
affection,
his ear every day.
which he seemed to
After
have
10
taken
days,
for
my
granted.
son had a severe earache.
He learned to
When I
have his
told
way.
Guruji about it, he just said,
To his
Kalyan,
negligence towards the
20%
family
cure and
and lack of
hereafter he will be
responsibility
gradually cured.
towards himself
He
can
asked me to
perhaps
get an
be attributed
audiometric test done.
his fondness
You
for
can imagine my
alcohol,
joy when my son
his
removed the
major
headphone
problem.
and said, the noise is too loud.
It
Though
is a
Guruji's
dream of
kripa,
every girl
after
to
a
be
period of
happily
25
married,
years, my son could
and
hear
I was
again.
no exception.
At this point, I realized how
But when a family
futile
is
my
haunted
search had been.
with
Here
alcoholism,
at Guruji's Charan, I got
nothing is
everything
any longer
with his
in
grace,
anyone's
his
control,
meher, his kripa,
and
and
worldly
finally I
factors
had found
and
my true Guru,
problems
my
become
master, my Rab, my God.
insurmountable.
As we came to Guruji,
The burden
we
of
heard lots of
responsibility
satsangs.
and my
Devotees would
unhappiness
narrate different incidents
soon
regarding their
disillusioned me.
experiences about and with Guruji, describing
During
how
that
they saw
time,
him in
my
different forms
grandfather
and
visited me.
sizes. My wife
My inner
always
turmoil
harbored
reached
the
out
desire
to
to be
him
blessed
without
by
words,
Guruji the same way,
and he
never
assumed I
realizing that her
needed
wish
some
would
help.
be fulfilled speedily.
My eyes
New
filled up
Year's
with
Eve
tears,
was
and I
approaching
told
and we
him
were to
that
go
I
to
wanted
Guruji's
him to
mandir.
pray for me
At the last
to
moment,
find
friends
a
persuaded
pure
us to
Guru, a
celebrate the occasion
complete
with them
and perfect
instead.
master.
However, Guruji wished it otherwise.
However
My wife was
hard a
preparing the
mortal
usual
being
morning cup
may
of tea
try,
that day.
she cannot
She had
find
put the tea
an
leaves in the water
enlightened
when she
master.
noticed that the residue took the
The
shape of a
master
hooded
finds
snake.
her when she is
Thinking it
ready
was
to
a
treat
coincidence,
his
she
path.
dripped the leaves in repeatedly Each time the leaves
Shortly,
arranged
my mother
themselves
took
into
me
the
to
shape of
visit
a
Guruji in
wooded snake.
Chandigarh.
It scared her. She called
From
me
the
and I
moment
told her
I stepped
that the
into
leaves
Guruji's,
portended that
I
Guruji
could smell
wanted us to be with
roses,
him on the New Year's Eve.
and
But
the
it was
sight
not
of
just that.
him
It
flooded my
was
eyes with tears.
blessing in disguise.
For the next
Guruji
few
cured my
hours
wife's 25 years
that I
old
sat
backache
there,
by making her dance
tears kept
during the
streaming down
satsang
my
on
eyes.
New Year Eve. A few years ago, a friend
Many
and I were
times
on our
after
way
first meeting
in my
Guruji,
vehicle
I
to my
could not
farm.
control
My
the
friend was
outburst
an
of emotions,
atheist. He found
and I
the
simply
Shabad
could
Kirtan
not
being
understand
played
why.
over the car stereo, boarding and talks of
Every time I
gurus
visited
and
him,
spiritually rubbish.
I
He
experienced
said he
a
would believe
peace
in gurus
that
if he
passed
saw a
understanding.
miracle take place before his eyes.
It was
Hardly
as
had
if
he
the
said
flood
this
of
that a
tears
truck
was
hit us from
singularly
the rear.
transforming me
We were thrown
by
out,
some
were half
alchemical
conscious on the
cleansing.
highway, and the car was badly damaged. You can imagine
In the
our surprise
meantime,
when we regained
my husband
consciousness
began to drink
and
more.
found that neither of us was hurt.
He
My
lost
friend
all
was
sense of responsibility
conscious, still
and
looking
was
dazed when he got up,
squandering
and I
money.
told him, "This,
I
my friend,
tried
is the
telling
miracle
him
you were
about
looking for.
Guruji and
If we
also
had not been
persuaded him to
speaking
meet
about
Guruji.
Guruji, there was no way we
He
would have
laughed at
survived
me,
the crash
saying such
on the
gurus
national highway,
were a dime
and that
in
too
dozen,
without injury.
and teased
My
me
friend
about
had
my
a dramatic change.
conservative attitude.
With the tears in his eyes, he raised his
He also did not
hands
approve
and said,
of my
"Thank you,
visiting
Guruji." When I
Guruji.
told Guruji of this incident, he simply said,
Around November
"No harm could come to you.
1999,
I was
my
there watching
husband
over
was
you."
posted to Lebanon
Another
on a
incident
UN
comes to
mission.
mind. The greatest gift God can give
There, his
to his
drinking
child.
problem
This is
worsened,
exactly what happened in my
and he
niece's
was
case.
diagnosed as
Despite doctors'
having
best
liver
efforts, she had been childless for
cirrhosis.
the last 7 years,
Our
and there
world
was
fell
no hope
apart.
she would ever give birth.
I took the
When my
first
niece
flight
came
to
to
be with
India,
him.
she met Guruji for
The
the first
doctor
time.
clearly stated
Before she could
that
tell
his
Guruji
liver
about her
had
desire,
fucked up
Guruji
and that
said,
he would require
"Beti,
a
your work will
transplant
be done
within
in
2
October."
years.
None of us understood what he meant.
To find a donor
It was
in
May
such a
and my
short
niece
period was
returned
a
to the
near
United States.
impossibility.
By the Guruji's grace, she was pregnant in the October,
Even if a
and the
donor
doctors
was
were
found,
amazed.
a
She was blessed with
transplant
a
would
lovely
have
boy.
been
All children given by
exorbitant
Guruji are
and
selected
in many
souls.
cases
Besides being intelligent,
unsuccessful.
they are an asset to their parents.
Doctors
Once
cautioned my
my
husband
heartbeat had gone
that
up
even a
to
single
180
drop of
beats per
alcohol
minute. The
taken
doctors
henceforth
advised immediate
would
surgery.
prove fatal.
I thought that I had better inform Guruji before going
Meanwhile,
in for
my
surgery.
parents kept
I
going
met
to
the doctor
Guruji
concerned in the
and
morning and fixed
praying
up the
for my
appointment.
husband's life.
Then in the evening, I went to my
After being
Guru's
in the
Monday.
hospital for a
He
few
already knew what
weeks,
was troubling me
we
and
came
sent a
back to
message
Delhi.
through another devotee
I
that nothing
requested
was
him to
wrong
meet
and
Guruji.
all would be well.
He
Guruji
did
then
come,
distributed prasad
but
that
all
evening.
the while
A devotee had
that
brought some
he
samosas.
was there,
Guruji
he
crushed
sat
5
in a
samosas
corner
in his hand
and
and told me to
complained
eat
of
them.
how
I
tired
was amazed
he
at the
was
sins.
and how I
Fried
had forced
stuff
him
was
to come.
poison for me. Having faith in my Guru,
This
I
same
humbly
night, I
ate
approached
them,
Guruji
came back
and
and
was
sat
so
down.
full of
He
emotion
called me again
that I
and
could
gave 2 more
hardly speak.
samosas. I was absolutely
My mother
stuffed,
and I
but
prayed
I
in
managed
front
to
of
eat
him
them.
to save my husband,
Lo and
and
below,
Guruji
behold,
replied,
my heart
"How can I
beat
help
was
him?
restored to 80
He is
beats
a
per minute
non-believer."
by His grace. The next day,
In the days
doctor
that
gave me
followed,
a
I
clean
would
chit.
visit
No
Guruji
surgery was
alone
required.
because my
Such is my
husband would never
Guruji's
accompany
greatness
me.
and his love for me.
One
A
night,
wonderful
after
miracle
returning
took
from
place
Guruji's
when Guruji
place,
muted my
while I was
nephew's
fast asleep,
disease. My
a
sister's
sudden
son had
great
come to on a
force,
holiday to
like a
Delhi and
swooshing
had been
wind,
suffering from an
entered my
irritating
room.
cough and fever for the last few
I
days.
was so scared
This
that I
lasted for a
sat
long time,
upright in my
and my
bed
sister Ruby,
and started
who is a
saying my
doctor, gave
prayers
him
with my
some
eyes
medicines,
closed.
but to no avail. Ultimately,
I
she got some
experienced
tests
white
done,
light
and they
piercing
confirmed
the
my nephew
darkness
was
and
suffering from
flooding the center
leukemia.
of my forehead.
Only one doctor asked my sister to wait for
Guruji
other
was
results
within that
to comment.
white
My
light.
sister was frantic with worry. She prayed to
He
Guruji
said
to help
he
her
would
child.
cure my husband
In
now.
the meantime, I came down to Delhi And
In
when
the
I met
15,
Guruji,
20 minutes
he asked me,
that
is Ruby
followed,
happy? I
that
could not
followed, I
understand
smelled
why he was asking
nauseatic
this.
odors
So I replied,
similar to
yes, Guruji, she
those
must be
that
happy.
emanate
Later I
from
rang up
operating
my sister
rooms.
and told her about what Guruji had said. All she said was
After a
that
while,
she would
everything
accompany us
cleared
to
up
Guruji's place
and I
the
went
next
back
day.
to sleep.
On the way, she told us what had
Guruji
happened,
told me
how
he
she had
had
prayed,
blessed my
and how the
husband.
last stress confirmed that my nephew just had a
6
glandular
years have
problem
passed
and no
since that day,
leukemia. When we
and
went
my
to
husband
bow
continues
before
to
Guruji,
drink
he said,
relentlessly.
Ruby, I have converted your son's disease.
Keeping
You
in
can
mind
imagine
what
our
the
surprise
doctors had said,
since no one knew
my
of this.
family and
Such is my
I are
Guru who
amazed
takes on
at
all
how
our troubles,
Guruji is looking
our
after
worries.
him
One
day
just thinks
and
of him
night.
and he's there. A dear friend
My
and guide of
husband, in
mine
his own
bought
way,
some land,
believes and
but to his
recognizes the
dismay,
gift of
he
life
found there was
given
no
to him
water
by Guruji.
beneath the subsoil. He took
The time-tested
the problem
scriptures
to
of the
Guruji,
world
who
all
told
agree
him to
that
dig a
before
particular
man is born,
corner to
the
a
day
depth of
of
120
his death
feet.
is
He was
ascertained,
warned that if he
and that
sold
no
the
one
water,
can grant
the well would dry up.
him even a
So he
breath
went and
more.
did exactly as Guruji had told him, and clear water
However,
started
the
flowing.
power to burn
The course of
man's
this subsoil
karma
underground
lies
water
with the
had been
Supreme
changed after
Creator.
100 years. Is any other proof required
Guruji
to
is that
realize that
cosmic
Guruji is
director,
God? Guruji is
the
there for anyone
manifestation
who
of
comes
that
to him
supreme power
in need with full faith,
who rewrote
trust,
the
and total
play
surrender.
of my life.
There was a poor vegetable vendor in Sector 22, Chandigarh,
My
who
family
had a
and I
double
have
vision.
experienced
Doctors confirmed he
numerous
was suffering
incidents
from a brain
where
tumor
we have called out
affecting
to
his
Guruji
vision.
and
He
have
was
suddenly
operated upon,
seen
but after
things
6
fall
months
into
the tumor
place
again surfaced
as if
and he went
touched
under the
by a
knife once
magic
more.
wand.
The tumor was malignant
I
and
once
the
had
vendor
the
went
privilege
into
of
a
escorting
coma for
more
3
than
months.
half a
When he
dozen
regained
friends to
consciousness,
whom I
the doctor
had been
told him
singing
there was
the
nothing more
praises of
they
my
could do for him.
Guru
So his
to
mother
meet
took him
Guruji.
home. She heard about Guruji and
With my
implored
limited
him to
vision,
help her son.
I prevailed
Guruji
upon
told her to
them
take
to
10 peanuts
not
and
ask
soak
for
them in
anything,
water before
though
sunset.
it was
Before
contrary
sunrise,
to what I
the
had done.
kernel had to be eaten and the shell put on the ice
When
for
I
a few
touched
minutes.
the feet of my
The
Guru,
remedy was to be
he
taken for
looked
10
at
days.
me and
The
to my
man regained
astonishment
his
said
eyesight, the
that
malignancy
everyone came
vanished,
to him
and
to
till
ask
date
for
he is
something.
held and hearty. This
Like a
is due to
divine
Guruji's
mirror,
kripa. I can
Guruji
spend hours writing
apparently
this satsang
had
about the
caught the
miracles
reflection
Guruji has performed.
of my
I can
mind,
sing his praises all day because
and
for
each
me
of my
he is
friends
God
was
who is there
blessed
for me.
and their
My
desires
family
fulfilled.
and the Sangat always
No
smiling
one
and
who comes near
covering
him
us with
ever
his
goes back
protective
empty-handed.
mantle. If there is any heaven on this
Upon
earth,
touching his
it is but
feet,
here,
a
here.
businessman might be
Jai
blessed
Guruji,
with prosperity,
Shukrana Guruji, Anantam
a sick
Anantam,
man with
Shukrana Guruji.
health, and a student with knowledge. Some are aware of the gift they receive, others ignorant of the hidden blessings. His love knows no bounds, and immaterial of whether you are a believer or a non-believer, His grace touches everyone. He makes no demands, asks you to keep no promises, but slowly His divine presence weaves magic and transforms you from within. Everyday people ridden with sorrow come in His presence, and His grace illumines their faces like the sudden rising of the sun over a sodden landscape. Satsang of a devotee.